Hi, Elfrida here. So this is probably my 7th or 8th attempt at doing a video blog. And the reason I've decided to do some video blogs is because I realize a lot of people may not want to read a whole written article that you might have posted on your site, on your Facebook page. And so this gives people an opportunity to maybe listen or view information that they might be able to absorb that little bit easier. Also, it gives an opportunity for people who've attended one-to-one coaching via Skype or face-to-face, or who've come to any of my classes or workshops, that they can reinforce some of the learning that they've had while they've spent time with me or experienced some of the things I want to share with you over the next few weeks. So this is not my most natural of formats to deliver directly to a camera, and so I think from a confidence coach perspective this is a really useful platform for me to develop my own confidence, and for you as the watcher or the listener to be able to understand how confidence has a number of facets. So for me, I'm very comfortable in the forum of delivering to a group. I train a lot and I teach a lot, and so it's very natural for me to stand up in front of a group and talk about something that I want to share. But to talk to a camera is quite a different thing. And so the reason this is probably my 7th or 8th attempt is that I started out sitting down, and I realized sitting down was not a comfortable position for me. And I noticed that all I seemed to be aware of was how many times my eyes blinked. But so standing up is much more comfortable. And obviously for those of you that may have ever followed the work of Amy Cuddy, you will realize that standing up releases testosterone and makes you more confident. And it's something that I would always teach when I'm teaching public speaking. So over the few weeks, I'm going to talk about different aspects of confidence. And while I do it, I'm going to challenge myself to develop better skills at video blogging, because that's one of the things that I think is key, is that we can be confident at a skill because we practice it enough, but we're not always confident in who we are. And so as a coach, one of the things I focus on a lot is helping people to become confident with who they are, not just in developing skills that are confident skills in public speaking or presentation or whatever it might be. So when we become more confident with who we are, we experience less anxiety, we become more relaxed in the things that we want and we need. When we're not feeling confident in who we are, we often experience overthinking, we have anxious thoughts, we worry about what other people will think, we become nervous in new situations. And we also have this problem where we're afraid to ask for what we want, we're afraid to ask for help in case we look stupid or helpless. We often are afraid to maybe admit when we're wrong, and there's a whole myriad of problems that arise when we don't feel confident in who we are, and that's directly related to our sense of self-worth. And for me, developing mindfulness as a practice and also using NLP has helped me to understand the areas in my life where I lack a sense of self-worth, and how I've had to work on those things in order to be able to be confident to deliver to a camera, to post something on the internet, to stand up in front of a group of 200 or 300 people and speak about something. And so getting that understanding of what holds me back and what aspects of my identity and my expectation of myself that affects my confidence has been incredibly useful to allowing me to feel more self-confident. So over the next few weeks, I'm hoping I will give you a chance to experience aspects of your own expectations and identity that affect your confidence, and hopefully give you some skills and tips and tools that will be really useful for you in different situations where you maybe have to present in front of a group, do an interview, or perhaps just how you engage with your family members in order to help them feel more confident and yourself to have more of the things that you want and that you need. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully you'll watch again when I present in another few days. Thank you.